If you look at this card, you can see a person standing in the front holding three swords. He looks confident, while two other people are walking away in the background. These two people appear to be leaving, and they look upset or defeated. On the ground, you can see two swords lying, which shows what has been left behind. The sky looks cloudy, which creates a tense and uncomfortable atmosphere. This shows a situation of conflict, disagreement, or argument. It also shows that even if someone wins, it may not feel like a happy or complete victory. There can be ego, tension, or a situation where things are not handled in the best way. So, this card is about conflict, disagreement, and a situation where winning may come with a cost. This is the Five of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes, the answer is no. It shows conflict, disagreement, or an unfavorable situation. If the card comes reversed, the answer is yes, but after resolving the conflict. Career, studies, business. It is not the right time to make decisions from anger or pressure. If someone is thinking about choosing a course or changing a job, they should be careful because the decision may come from frustration rather than clarity. It is better to pause and think properly before acting. If they are already working, there may be conflicts, competition, or misunderstandings at the workplace, so they should avoid arguments and handle things calmly. If someone is jobless, it shows struggle or difficulty. But they should not lose confidence and should stay focused without getting into negative situations. If the card comes reversed, it shows that conflicts may start settling and better decisions can be taken. Love. If someone is in a relationship or marriage, it shows conflict, arguments, or ego issues. They may be upset by words or behavior, and one person may try to win instead of understanding. They should avoid unnecessary fights and focus on communication. If there is a breakup, it shows that it may have happened due to conflict or misunderstanding. If the card comes reversed, it shows that there is a chance of resolving issues, apologizing, or moving on peacefully. Health. If a person has a disease, it shows that stress or mental tension may affect the condition, so they need to stay calm and avoid overthinking. If someone is healthy, it is a warning to avoid stress, arguments, and mental pressure, as it can affect overall well being. If something new is detected, it may be linked to stress or tension, and proper care and a calm mindset are important. If the card comes reversed, it shows improvement, where stress reduces and recovery becomes easier. General guidance. This card is asking you to avoid unnecessary conflict. Not every situation needs to be won. Choose peace over ego. And think before reacting. If the card comes reversed, it shows letting go of conflict and moving towards a better state of mind. So, this card tells you not to fight every battle, but to protect your peace and walk away when needed.